picture autumn leaves, your beauty like a tree raining down on me, and I can hardly breathe. Never could I dream colors such as these. Picture moonlit skies where nothing matters under stars-scattered paradise. Us like Gemini, you see your soul reflected in my eyes. Imagine desert sands, untread by human step, untouched by human hand. Infinite expanse, follow your eyes as rose-colored horizons kiss the land. Couldn't be by chance, it feels so intended, like somebody meant it, destined, planned for you to love this man. And maybe now you'll understand how I wanna be beautiful to you. Said I wanna be beautiful to you. The way you are to me. And later for magazines, 'cause I've learned images are not always what they seem. When every TV screen and movie scene tries to redefine the woman of my dreams, but they don't know about you though, and how your smile could cause a river now to slow, so it could be near you though. Even if meanwhile the oceans would overflow, from caramel to mahogany, your complexion undefined to me. And if they left its name up to me, then I would color you eternity. And I would paint you all over me, and I would show you first so that you'd believe. And then I'd want the world to see you're all I wanna be. Said I wanna be beautiful to you. I wanna be beautiful to you. The way you are to me. And I don't need the sun, the moon, the stars, Jupiter or Mars, when you and I verse. And I would trade you my tomorrows and every day that follows for just one word. One word. You're like water to me. You wash away prejudice of what my love used to be, my fantasy. How many times have I pictured your lips on me? You say that I wanna be free, that we'll lose the mystery. You lose your faith in me, that will never be. Wanna be beautiful to you. Said I wanna be beautiful to you. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, beautiful to you. Said I wanna be